Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So this was the clip from yesterday of changing out all the screws. So this was the room that I finished yesterday, and I went ahead and finished the other 4 rooms today. The second room was kind of halfway done, so maybe like 3.5. But anyways, I finished out all 5 of these rooms, changing out the normal slotted screws to the security screws. The blank plates kind of were far into the wall, so those took like 2-inch screws. Most of the normal ones, the duplex receptacles, took the 5/8 screws, and the GFCIs with the 3/8. From there, I went ahead and went up and changed out another smoke detector, so I got suited up in the bunny suit. Also helped the other apprentices with a wire pull, so I was assisting with that. And then from there, the last thing that I worked on was preparing for the CHR shop, which, as you guys can remember from like 3 months ago, basically did this whole room with TJ, hung all these lights, powered up everything, repiped stuff, all that stuff, did the fire alarm. So anyways, adding 3 more lights in here, adding like 4 quad receptacles on the wall with wire mold, and then the last thing in here I just forgot, but there's 3 things in here, so I'll be working in here for at least a few days probably. Adding 3 lights on that strut rack. Oh, the last thing was the power pole, so I'll be adding that finally that second power pole right next to that second light, and then the quad receptacles are on that wall that I showed you right when you walk in the door, with like the copiers on there. But anyways, same setup, cutting the 2-foot strut bars, adding the 3 little jack chains, all that good stuff. So same process, just have to do it again, and then send some power over there with some wire. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Love you guys. Peace.